Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you stopping by. Model Car Guy Rich here. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of a 1957 Ford AMT Ertl kit, a 3-in-1 kit in 1/25 scale. Here's a side view of the box. Another one. Kit number 6584. So 3 options, 1 kit. And this one come out in, it doesn't say. Okay. I have to look inside, see if it says it on the instructions. Nothing on the bottom. Molded in color. It's a AMT Ertl kit. So it had to be in the mid-90s, I guess. Oh, look at here. We got a little surprise. This will show you how concerned I was. Yep. I don't like my glass getting scratched up. So apparently whenever I bought this kit, 29, 30 years ago, I packed it up in a paper towel and threw it in a box to protect the glass. Alright, right off the bat we have 57 Ford Fairlane. Kit may be built more than one way. Look over the instructions, yada yada yada. You can build it drag, stock, or custom. All kinds of little options you have for that. Nice, build your engine up. Looks like we got some velocity stacks there, fuel injection units, whatever the heck those were. Alright. 2 different options for your fan belt and pulley system. Neat. Some nice wheels, drag slicks, stock wheels. Interior gives you a couple of options. Different steering wheels, that's kind of cool. Oh, a horn ring for the standard stock wheel, yep. You put in a custom bucket seat. Well, it says seats, there might be 2 of them. Alright. Wow, armrest. Holy crap, I haven't seen that in a while. That's pretty funny. Oh, you know what? I was mistaken. It says 2 custom window lifts. So you're covering up your crank handle, your roller upper lever thing, whatever you want to call it, and putting on what appears to be like a power window switch. Really? A swip? Okay. And it's got hinges, so this must have opening doors. Very cool. Here's the interior body. Interior into the body. Okay, yep. Looks like it has opening doors. Oh, sorry you couldn't see that right there. Put your rear bottom suspension on. A couple different options for bumpers. Splash pan, stock bumper, custom roll pan. The tail lights. You can open the hood if you'd like for the drag version. Very cool. This kit reminds me of my brother. My brother was into Fords, and he had like an original issue from the 60s of this particular kit. And it got destroyed, I'm sure, years ago. But definitely, this picture right here definitely reminds me of that one. Pretty cool. Alright, well, there's the instructions. And here we, oh, sorry about that. Here we have some wild decals. Some flames. I don't know what era those are from. I don't know, maybe the late 60s. Got some numbers. You put your own number on there. Oldie. Fairlane 500, I'm assuming. Ertl, American Racing equipped. Goodyear. Street is neat. I haven't seen that in years. Doug's headers, nice. I can't make out. Oh, it says Ford Power. Okay, Autolite. And then I think that's the old Isky Cam logo. It's been a while since I've seen that. California Ford here. A couple of Holly plates, decals, Wien, and Hearst. Nice. very nice. I don't know if they're still good, but we'll try. Whoa, that's a bright blue. Look at that, guys. That's a definite blue there. Holy man. Alright, so we got one big bag of blue parts. Say that 5 times fast. Alright, let me get these open here, just to the side of you. I'll move it over a little bit. Alright, right off the bat we have the body. Well, it feels a little bit thin, not too bad. Not like that Willys I did. Check out that video if you haven't seen it yet. Willys was a little on the real thin side. This is about a medium thin. You know, I mean, it's sturdy. I always did like the front end of these things. They're pretty wicked looking. Kind of reminiscent of the Batmobile, the old Lincoln Futura, 1966 version. Nice lights, emblem embossed on there. Not real distinctive, but it is there. You pick it out with a toothpick or something if you wanted to paint it. Little slick here, Fairlane 500 on the side. That's cool. Opening doors and hood. They went that far. I wonder why they just didn't do the trunk too. You know. Alrighty. Here we have the interior tub. A little bit of flash there. Trim that up real nice. It's kind of a simple build here on this one. Not a lot of definition, but there is detail in there. Here's the bottom chassis with the mufflers molded in, tailpipes, gas tank, wheel, tire wheel. You know what? That's kind of funny. I'm going to leave this one held up here. Look at this. They're almost identical. The position of the mufflers is a little different, but same basic concept here. This kit in my left hand is the chassis for the 57 Chevy that'll be out in a couple of days, a video. And this is a 57 Ford. I never realized how similar they were until you did it like this, you know. Pretty neat. Alright, anyway, sorry about that. Just a little observation I made there. You were hearing it whether you wanted to or not, I guess. Sorry. This is nice. This is actually thicker than the body. It's got some heft to it. Set that down. Couple of wheels. And I think these are spindles. The metal axle will go through those, and that holds your tires on. And your wheels. Here are four seats, 4 bucket seats. It's neat. What the heck is this? Is that Flash from the Dukes of Hazzard? Old bloodhound there. Can you see it real close? I don't know. That's a puppy dog. That's pretty neat. We get a rabbit in a previous video and now a puppy dog. Pretty cool. Alright, here's the doors. Here's the inner door panels. Back of the doors with the hinges attached. That's nice. Alright, like that. Some custom parts it looks like for the front end. The roll pan for the back end. These I think are brake wheel assembly parts, maybe. Not positive on that. A couple of shock absorbers. And here we have the hood and the stock seats, front and rear bench. Back of the seats, obviously. Intake manifold, air cleaner, engine block, steering column, I'm looking at these, the back wheel backs and the wheels. This is fan belt and pulley system. Get 2 different options for wheels. I don't know why they look the same. Oh, these are deeper. So for the drag, you'd put the deeper ones in the back, and these are all the shorter ends on them. Okay, that makes sense. We got a big old carburetor. Front of the engine with the oil filler and a water pump and timing chain cover. Heads, air cleaner. I don't know if I've mentioned that already. support for the front end. The hood with the optional knockout if you'd like to cut that out. Intake manifold for the velocity stack intake things. I can't think of the name of those. I'm having brain farts today, guys. Sorry. And last of the body colored parts, we have big blue console that would go down the center for the custom version. Dashboard. Some more wheel parts. I think this is going to be for custom front end. Stock steering wheel. That's really nice looking. Here's the battery. Headlight bits in body color. That's interesting. They show chrome on there, but this could be for the custom part. It actually could be the tail lights. Another set of headers. Some more wheel rings. These are deeper ones for your rear wheels for the drags. Miscellaneous little parts there. And that's that for body parts. Let's get into the chrome pieces. Can't believe I'm opening these all up after almost 30 years. That's pretty funny. Alright, we got a lot of chrome here to show you. There's one full tree here. Come on. I really got it in there tight on this one. There we go. Alright, we have front grille parts. Two different options there. It looks like that's the lower one here, and this must be a different one. Another option there. Chrome fan. Tiny little steering wheel there. That's kind of slick. Again, reminiscent of the Batmobile with the upper part missing. Chrome valve covers. Obviously all chrome here. Front suspension. Air cleaner. This looks like the side of a little fuel tank that might be in the other bag. There's more chrome to come. Shifter lever. Nice long shifter handle there. Another bumper. Stock wheels. Oil pan, radiator top. That's slick. And then one final bag of chrome here. This one was folded over on the other side. Here's your headlights, chrome bits. Yep. Two more of those. So those aren't fuel tank. Those are dog dish hubcaps. Here's oh great, here's a chrome axle and halves. Here's the stacks for the intake manifold. Some chrome headers that actually look like just standard exhaust manifolds. And another steering wheel. Now that definitely looks like Batmobile, don't it? I mean, it's a bat shape. That's really cool. And a bumper. Pretty slick stuff there. Now what do we have here? We have a bag, an actual bag. What the heck? This is in an actual little bag. I don't know if I did that years ago. Maybe. I don't know. Huh. Alright, we have... There's the slicks. There's regular tires with this piece in it again. You got to cut that out before you can put them on. These are Goodyear branded. You have 4 of those and 2 of these big old drag slicks. Used to love getting these in kits. Also Goodyear. Scuff them up a little bit, make them look realistic. Some sandpaper. Put those back in the bag later. What is this? Here we have 57 Ford. Oh my goodness. This is a cloth material, guys. Now, I've never seen this before. It's got like a velvet feel to it. And you cut out your shapes and it becomes, the opposite side becomes your interior upholstery. Pretty slick. Nice job, AMT Ertl. That was a neat little deal. You should have done that all along. That is cool. I'm not crazy about the color. You're kind of limited. I'd have went with a gray or a black or even white, but this tan is kind of limiting. But very slick. 2 metal axles down there. One of them stuck to the box. Oh, it's taped in. I'll be darned. Yep. One of them's taped in, and this one's right here. We'll put that back in and down the way it was. And these are in a little bag. What the heck? I'd never seen that before. Well, we'll leave them in there. We got tail light pieces and little design pieces. Maybe for the custom parts, or maybe that was stock. I'm not sure on those. But that's pretty cool. But that's it, guys. That's going to be an interesting build. I'm looking forward to that one. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. I appreciate you stopping by. As always, please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and help me build this channel, as I'm having a blast. I hope you're enjoying it, and have yourselves a great day. We'll see you on the next one.